Hello students, welcome to Sath classes, and in this video we are going to study rule number 4, 5 and 6 of Roman numerals. In my previous video, which is the part 1 of that video, we have discussed rule number 1, 2 and 3. If you have not seen that video, first see that video and come over it. Okay, so let's start with rule number 4. Let me write it down for you. So rule number 4 says if a symbol of smaller value is to the left, this word is important, left, to the left of a symbol of greater value is subtracted from the value of greater symbol Okay, so this rule is basically the opposite of rule number 3, which we have studied. So what this rule says, let's understand with the help of an example. Let me draw an example for you. So this rule says if I write a symbol, so this is symbol V, means 5. ठीक है, अगर कोई छोटा सिंबल बड़े सिंबल के लेफ्ट में होता है, if I write this I, since I is smaller, I क्या है, small है, and V is greater as compared to 1, 5 बड़ा है और S is smaller, so if it is on the left side, so we have to subtract them, means I have to write it as 5 minus 1, यानी बड़े सिंबल में से छोटा सिंबल I have to subtract. Okay, the answer will be 4. So this rule says if a smaller symbol is on the left side of a greater symbol, it will be subtracted. One more example, let me write it down. 1 and x. Now here x is greater, means 10, and 1 is smaller, so I have to subtract it. And the answer is 9. One more example, if I write x and L. Here L is greater, 50, and 10x is 10. So x छोटा है, L बड़ा है, so I have to subtract it. L is 50 and x is 10, so I have to subtract it, and the answer is 40. So this is how we do in rule number 4. It says if a symbol of greater value is there and there is smaller value symbol on the left, we have to subtract them. Okay, so let's move on to the rule number 5. So students, in rule number 5 we have written the symbols 5 or V, L and D, 550 and 500 are never written to the left. Please write down this word, are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That is, we cannot subtract V, L and D. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? If I write a symbol X, okay, X means 10, and if I write like this V, so this is wrong. V, ये सिंबल कभी भी बड़े सिंबल के लेफ्ट में नहीं होगा. दिस सिंबल कैन नॉट बी ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ दिस सिंबल, so this is wrong. Okay, I cannot write like this. Okay, one more example, if the symbol is this, if I write like this C and D. Okay, so if I write a symbol L and to the right of it I write symbol C. Okay, since C is 100, L is 50, so L छोटा है, C बड़ा है, so this is also I cannot write. So this is also not a valid Roman numeral. Okay, according to this rule, the symbols L, V and D cannot be written on the left hand side of a greater symbol. If I write like this, D is 500, M is 100, 1000. So M बड़ा है, D छोटा है. So again I cannot write like, it is all again wrong. Okay, so there are two more points in this rule. The first point, the first bullet point, I want to mention it here. Write it down. It's a write down the symbol, the symbol, the symbol 1, or you can say I, can be subtracted, can be subtracted, can be subtracted from, can be subtracted from V and X only. Please remember this rule. Okay, so the symbol 1 can be subtracted from V and X. Okay, so I can subtract 1 I from 5. I can subtract 1 from 10, but I cannot subtract 1 from C. If I write like this, it is wrong. This thing will be wrong. So these two things are correct, and this thing will be wrong because I cannot subtract 1 from symbol C. Okay, got it? So one more point in the same rule, rule number 5 का ही part है. One more point. So it says the symbol X can be subtracted, the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. Okay, it can be subtracted from L, M and C only, which means I can subtract X, L. Okay, I can write X हमेशा M में से subtract हो सकता है, और X can be subtracted from C. Okay, इसके अलावा you cannot subtract X from any number. Okay, apart from it you cannot subtract X. If I write like this, XD, so this is wrong. X cannot be subtracted from D. X cannot be subtracted from D, so this is wrong. So X can be subtracted from L, M and C, or it can be written to the left of these symbols only. Okay, so these are rule number 5 is completed. So now let's move on to rule number 6, which is our last rule. So students, rule number says if a smaller number is written, अगर एक छोटा नंबर आपका लिखा हुआ है दो बड़े नंबर के बीच में, between two greater values, then it is always subtracted from the numerals immediately following it. मतलब क्या हुआ? Okay, for example, if I write like this, x 1 and v. अब देखिए 1 जो है वो 10 से भी छोटा है एंड 1 है 5 से भी स्मॉल है. ओके, सो देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस. या तो 1 को मैं ऐड कर दूं इसमें बिकॉज इट इज ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ ए बिग नंबर, or otherwise I will have to subtract it. Okay, so according to this rule I have to subtract it from the, I have to always subtract it. इसको मुझे हमेशा subtract करना होगा. अगर कोई नंबर, कोई छोटा नंबर दो बड़े नंबर के बीच में आएगा, so I have to always subtract it. I have to always subtract it. Okay, so मैं subtract कैसे करूँगा? I have to subtract it from 5 because it is on the left hand side. Okay, so I will write it as 10 plus 5 minus 1. Okay, I have to subtract this number always, so it will become 14. It will become 14. Okay, so if a number is in middle or it is in the sandwich between those numbers, it will always be subtracted. Okay, so just remember this rule. So I will do some questions, so you will give me the answers based on these 6 rules. Okay, just do some questions. So before it I am writing some numerals: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So just write down the equivalent Roman numeral. It is equal to 10. It is equal to x and x. It is equal to triple x. And 40 cannot be equal to triple x. Okay, so I have to subtract it 50 minus 10. So I can write it as xl. We will see how we used to map this. 60 is lx, 70 is lxx, 80 is l triple x, 50 plus 30. So this is how we are going to do some questions. So let's start. So now in this question, I will write some Roman numerals and you have to tell why it is incorrect. Why it is incorrect. Okay. So the first number is this. Now guess it why it is incorrect. Okay. I am writing some Roman numerals. So you have to say why it is incorrect. ये गलत क्यों है Roman numerals? Okay. Have you figured it out? देखिए, this is wrong because a symbol x cannot be, any symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, more than 3 times I cannot repeat. So this is wrong. More than 3 times I cannot repeat. Okay, now this, why this Roman numeral is wrong? Vx is wrong because it cannot be written on the left hand side. V कभी भी left hand side पर नहीं होता है. We have studied in the rule number 5. Okay, so this is wrong. V cannot be on the left. V cannot be on left. Okay, this is according to the rule number 5. Now this rule, why this rule is wrong? Okay, this rule is wrong according to rule number 2, means that V cannot be repeated. V cannot repeat. This symbol we cannot repeat. यानी V symbol को हम कभी भी repeat नहीं कर सकते हैं. V, there are 3 symbols which I have told you, V, L and D. These symbols I cannot repeat. I cannot repeat according to the rules. Okay. Now why this is wrong? This is wrong according to the rule number 5, which says that I can only be subtracted from V and X. यानी I हमेशा V एंड x में से सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है, ना कि इसके अलावा वो किसी नंबर में सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होता है. ओके, सो दीज आर सम, यू कैन से, रिविजन ऑफ व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड. So that's all. These are some rules and some general applications on how to form a Roman numeral. In our next video, we will see some questions based on Roman numerals. Thanks for watching Saath Classes.